more than just ground to meet our feet. It's the foundation of life in agriculture.
But not all soil are the same. Some provide better conditions for crops than the others.
Today, let's talk about one of the best silt clay loam soil.
Silt clay loam is known for its ideal balance. It holds water well, stores nutrients, and still allows air to flow through the soil. This makes it one of the most productive soils for farming.
Farmers can grow a wide varieties of crops here, like rice, corn, root crops like cassava and sweet potatoes. Also, vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplants, and leafy green that thrives in silt clay loam.
It not only provides food on our tables, but also livelihood for our communities. That's why it's often called as the farmer's partner in growth.
But like any resource, silt clay loam must be protected. Overuse of chemical fertilizers weakens the soil. Poor water management causes flooding or drought. Deforestation leads to erosion. If the soil suffers, harvest decline, and communities are affected.
So how do we preserve the quality of silt clay loam? Number 1 is by using organic fertilizers and compost to enrich the soil naturally. Number 2 is by practicing soil rotation to maintain soil balance. Number 3 is by conserving water so the soil remains productive for generations. And lastly, by planting trees and cover crops to prevent erosion.
These practices are not only simple, they are sustainable. They ensure that the benefits of silt clay loam will continue for future generations.
Silt clay loam is more than a soil. It is a partner in growth, a source of life, and a responsibility we all share.
Preserve the soil.
Conserve our resources.
Secure our future.
Silt clay loam. Nurture today, harvest tomorrow.